In front of me is Motorola Razr 50 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this Motorola. All you need to do is hold your device's display and tap on one of those themes to apply the best one. So when I do that, as you can see, theme of my device has changed. To go back, just click on any area of your screen that's not this pop-up. If you want to, you can also open settings and click on personalize to access themes here. Now you can tap on this plus at the top right corner and adjust all of those settings separately. Wallpaper, font style, color, icon shape, and even name. When you finished, hit save, and to apply your theme, click on it. If you want to edit it, use this pen at the top right corner, make your changes, hit save, and apply it by clicking on it again. To delete it though, use this pin at the top right corner and hit delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!